हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एक्सरसाइज 4.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। It is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is at twice the breadth and the area is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and the breadth. Suppose breadth equals to x and length equals to, because the twice it's a breadth, so length is equals to 2x, area equals to 800 meter square. L into P equals to area, 2x into x equals to 800, 2x square equals to 800, 2x square minus 800 equals to 0. So quadratic equation D equals to B square minus 4AC. B there is 0, so 0 square minus 4, A equals to 2, C equals to minus 800. 0 plus 4 to the 8, 8 is the 64, 6400. D equals to 6400. So yes, it is possible. For length and the breadth calculation, we have two methods. First method, quadratic formula. X equals to minus b square plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b square equals to, there is 0 square plus b square minus 4ac equals to 6400 upon 2a, 2a equals to 2, that equals to 0 plus 80 plus minus 80, 2 to the 4, 80 upon 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 20 meter. So x equals to 20 meter and that is breadth, and length equals to 2x equals to 2 into 20 equals to 40 meter. Answer. Second method. Length into breadth equals to area, length equals to 2x, breadth equals to x equals to 800 meter square. So 2x square equals to 800, x square equals to 800 upon 2, 2 4 is 8, 0 0, x equals to under root 400, so x equals to 20 meter, that is a breadth. Length equals to 2x equals to 2 into 20 equals to 40 meter. So length equals to 40 and breadth equals to 20 meter. Clear? Question number 2. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in a years were 48. Present age of one friend is X. Present age of second friend is 20 minus x 4 years ago. Four years ago, their age will be x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4. So, equation will be, and their product is 48. So, equation will be x minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4 equals to 48. X minus 4, 16 minus x equals to 48. So, x minus 4 multiply by 16 multiply by minus x equals to 48. 16x minus 64 minus x square minus minus plus 4x equals to 48 minus x square 16 plus 4 20x plus 20x minus 64 equals to 48. X square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48. So equation will be x square minus 20x plus 112. Equation is x square minus 20x plus 112. Quadratic equation is d equals to b square minus 4ac. There b is minus 20 whole square minus 4, a equals to 1 and c equals to 112. 2 to the 4, 400 minus 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 8 equals to minus 48. So d is lesser than 0. So their roots are imaginary. So this is not possible. So not possible. Next question. Question number 6. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Perimeter of a rectangular park is 80 meter and area is 400 meter square. Suppose length equals to x and breadth is y. So perimeter equals to 2x plus y. 2x plus y equals to 80 meter. X plus y equals to 80 upon 2 equals to 40 meter. X plus y equals to 40 meter. So x equals to y equals to 40 minus x. This is question number 1. Area equals to L into B. X into y equals to 400 meter square. X y equals to 400. This is question number 2. From equation 1 and 2. minus x equals to 400. So 40x minus x square equals to 400. X square minus 40x plus 400. Quadratic equation d equals to b square minus 4ac, b equals to minus 40 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4, a equals to 1, c equals to 400. 4 4 जा 16 minus 4 4 जा 16, 1600 cancel, that equals to 0. So d equals to 0 means this is the real and equal roots, and this is possible. Now calculate the length and the breadth. X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b equals to minus 40 plus minus b square minus 4ac upon b square minus 4ac equals to 0 upon 2a, 2 into 1, it equals to 40 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 20 meter. So x equals to 20 meter. X equals to 20 meter. From equation 1, y equals to 40 minus x, so y equals to 40 minus 20, y equals to 20 meter. So x equals to 20 and y equals to 20. So length equals to 20 meter and breadth equals to 20 meter. Thank you.